In this lesson, we'll review an improving the sentence problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 492, question 12 out of 14. This is a moderate question. It's a level 3. On October 13th, 1955, at the 6th Gallery in San Francisco, Allen Ginsberg read his poem, Howl, being the inauguration of both a new style in poetry and the beat movement. We have to find the correct version of this underlined section here. We have the answers below, but I always recommend thinking about what the correct version should be before you look at them so you don't get biased and just have a better grasp of the rules and work more efficiently. So right away, we know that Ginsberg read his poem Howl, and I put this in green, by the way, because it's italics, and that just means it's a title, obviously. And then we've got the comma being. Being, you should recognize, this is the worst passive voice. It is never right. And we also have to link these two clauses together. So he read his poem, Howl, and it really set off this inauguration, this sort of inception of two things, because we have a both, there's a new style in poetry, and we've got the and a beat movement. We know the being is wrong. Let's take a look at the choices. So A is out, that's the being. In B, we've got comma, just both. Inaugurated. So both inaugurated, and that's really not the best choice. It still has a run-on. You need to link them with some type of clause or a conjunction here to link the clauses, so both is out. And then C, we've got comma it. You can't ever have a comma it. That's always a comma splice, a run-on sentence. It will never be right. And by the way, you could have a semicolon to cure that, but you don't want to start with the ambiguous pronoun it. You want to state the subject, so this is definitely wrong. D, we have comma whose, both. Now whose would refer to some type of possessive, whose what, inauguration of both. It really doesn't make any sense here. The best choice, the only choice here, we have a conjunctive adverb to link the two together. He read his poem, Howl, comma, thus, setting off, thus, inaugurating, and you have the both. Remember, if there's ever a both, there always must be an and we have two things. Both, a new style in poetry. We have the and, the beat movement. This one is perfect with the thus. Not too difficult. And the answer here is E. All right. See you next time. Thanks for watching.